You know, on the Day of Judgment, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He will say to the believer, He will say to him, read Quran like you used to read in dunya, and the last verse that you stop at will be the level of Jannah that you will end up in. So imagine those that memorize the Quran. Then imagine you and I who only knew Qul Huwallahu Ahad and Qul A'udhu bi Rabbil Falaq. Wallahi, for every letter that you didn't memorize, wallahi, you're gonna kick yourself. That if I just worked that little bit harder, man, I would have made it.
You will ask Allah for a car, He may not give you. You can ask Allah for a house, He might not give you. You might ask Allah to cure your disease, He might not. Maybe He will, maybe He won't, because He knows what's better for you. But one thing guaranteed He will give you when you ask Him sincerely is His guidance. That He will give you. And when He gives you that, everything else is solved. Everything else is taken care of. May Allah Azza wa Jal make us people who truly, genuinely beg for His guidance. And may Allah make all of our difficulties, all of the challenges we have in our life, a means by which we draw closer and closer to Him and earn His priceless guidance.
Recite Qul Huwallahu Ahad with the translation. Go and see what it means. These small verses, they tell you a lot more about Allah than you realize. Qul Huwallahu Ahad. Say He is Allah, the unique, there is none like Him. The one and only who we care about, the one and only we devote ourselves to. The one and only we are willing to give our lives for and we live our lives for. Al-Ahad. Allahu Samad. Allah, the one who needs no one, yet everybody needs Him in every moment of their lives. We need Allah, but we think that we are independent. Lam yalid wa lam yulad. He has no children, nor does He have any parents. He is not in need of anyone. وَلَمْ يَكُنْ لَهُ كُفُوًا أَحَدٍ. There is no one equal to Allah. But you know what we did? We started to worship our careers. We made our companies equal to Allah. We started to devote ourselves to wealth. We made wealth on the same pedestal as our Creator. We started to be enslaved by our desires. Our desires became on the same level as Allah. We have to ask ourselves the question, can we really say that there's no one equal to Allah in our life? Is Allah our greatest priority? Is Allah our greatest concern? Is Allah our greatest worry? Is He the one we think about when we wake up and the one we go to sleep thinking about? A small surah, but a lot to think about.
Nobody will be able to understand your pain but Allah. So talk to Allah, connect with Him. It will help you. It will give you a reason to look forward to tomorrow. Nothing is impossible for Allah. The Almighty, nothing's impossible for Him. You ask Him, He will give you. And keep on asking Him and repeat it, and don't worry about saying it again and again and crying and asking. Don't lose hope. When the time is right, He will give it to you.